1,000 horsepower CTS-V. It's the V3. It's an amazing car from factory, but we do what we do best and we turn it up several notches. It's an absolute beast. Check out how it's built right now. Down the back straight. That is pretty fast. That is right up there with Exorcist and 1,000 horsepower Z06s. So that is pretty wicked. All in a casual, luxurious sedan. 4 doors, room for 5 people. I mean, what more do you want out of a vehicle besides just to roll down the road in a comfortable couch? Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching how this car got built and how it performed on the track. Don't forget, it comes with a warranty. That's unheard of. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't miss out on anything that we're doing because it's pretty amazing. And we'll see you next time.
Came here for the horsepower.